Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a HAIER brand dryer and you're getting an E5 error on the display and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So this is I would say a moderately easy thing to fix in that, so this is saying that the temperature sensor, what they call the thermistor in your dryer, is faulty. So in most situations, what you need to do is to replace the thermistor. First thing you want to do is just turn off your dryer and unplug it. And then you're going to have to order a thermistor. So I'll go ahead in the description, I'll put a link to where you can buy a new thermistor and also a link to a little guide in terms of how to actually change out the thermistor. Because before you go forward with this, you're going to need to replace that part. Now you can, once you turn it off and unplug it, you can let it sit for a minute or two and then plug it back in and see if just that hard restart didn't clear out this error. But if the error persists, you're going to want to go ahead and replace the thermistor. And again, I'll put the links in the description.